Welcome to Roam Tips. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the video description. This is my personal experience with Neighbor.com. Neighbor.com offers a unique solution to storage problems by connecting people who have extra space with those who need it. Imagine transforming your unused garage, basement, or even a spare closet into a source of income while helping someone in your community. It's a win-win situation. Neighbor provides a platform for listing your available space, setting your own prices, and managing the rental process. They handle the secure payment processing, offering various options for renters, making it hassle-free for both parties. The site also provides insurance coverage, protecting your belongings and providing peace of mind. This peer-to-peer storage marketplace is a compelling alternative to traditional self-storage units. It's often more affordable, more convenient, and fosters a sense of community. You're not just renting space, you're connecting with your neighbors. Think of it as Airbnb for storage. Whether you need to store a few boxes, furniture, an RV, or even a boat, Neighbor.com might have the perfect spot for you. The website is user-friendly and features detailed listings with photos, dimensions, and security information. You can easily search for spaces near you, compare prices, and communicate directly with hosts. Neighbor.com emphasizes safety and security, offering protection plans and background checks for hosts. This adds an extra layer of trust and reassurance for both renters and hosts. It's a smart, efficient, and community-driven approach to storage that benefits everyone involved. So, if you're looking for affordable and convenient storage, or if you have extra space you'd like to monetize, definitely check out Neighbor.com. It's a fantastic resource that could save you money and connect you with your community. Don't forget to explore the various options and features available on their website. You might be surprised at how easy and beneficial this service can be.